Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whenever and wherever you may be. Thanks for watching my channel, guys, as we try to grow it and get better at editing these videos. I'm going to get my roof rewrapped. It's already been wrapped. We did a gloss black before, about a year ago actually, and this was at a different shop. Wasn't in love with the color, didn't have that piano black that I was looking for, but that's fine. Stuff happens, and you take those opportunities to improve. So I'm visiting my friend J.R. Perry today. He's the owner at Speed EFX in Parker, Colorado, and I've known J.R. for over a decade. Since back in the day when I had a Neon SRT running 11s back in 07, 08. So without further ado, I want to thank JR for taking some time to take care of me today. It's New Year's Eve, or New Year's Day, and he's closed today to the public, but thanks for taking care of me and taking me in today, along with your staff. And obviously this is how you get where you're at to being the best in the state, is by working on days off and holidays. So I appreciate you, man, and I'm looking forward to seeing how this wrap turns out. So stick around, guys, check out the video, some cool stuff in there that you'll see, and let me know what you guys think. Pretty cool color too.
Are you taking a SpeedEFX shirt on? It's like on one day at 10 off or not?
It was a.
Yeah, it's loosened up. I still gotta figure out how to.
Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't want.
That was quick.
I don't know, that rare to wear.
So, to do your thing. This is Joel. He's one of my old buddies.
Unless I had, you know,
How you doing, man?
How you doing,
I didn't notice.
That's Jordan. It's gonna look pretty stupid,
You know,
for a couple
I could
minutes.
not.
Until
I
can
wouldn't
get it
have to
going.
worry about it, you know.
So,
Yeah.
nothing interesting yet.
How's the old wrap
I mean,
looking?
I love cars, but I'm at
I mean,
the point
it's
where
pretty scratched
like,
up, but I mean,
Fucking special car.
Yeah, I got a big old rock chip over here, and I thought it was a stain,
You know,
so I started
looking
like an idiot.
yeah.
probably
I saw that. I wondered when you were on it.
No, that was me.
You tried to scrub something.
you know,
That was me.
like,
Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby. Everybody shake it, baby.
So how long has it been since you had the Neon?
Long time, dude. It's been. I bought it. I probably bought it in 2008, maybe 2007, and then because it was a 2004, and then I drove it for 2.5, 3 years, I think.
You did the Stage 3 on it, or?
Yeah, I did
Yeah,
the Stage 3.
I
I didn't
remember
go
that.
as crazy as some of you guys, dude. Like John. Remember John's car was nuts, and
Need for Speed?
Steve Pomona, his car was crazy.
His was a Stage 3 too, though, wasn't it?
Huh? His was, he had a big turbo on his car. Mine wasn't a big turbo. I was still on stock turbo, but I think it was what was it, dude? Like Needs Wings, is that right? Needs Wings downpipe.
Sounds familiar, yeah.
Like Mopar exhaust, I did. God, it's been so long.
Dude, I remember the Mopar Stage 2, like the buttons and the intercooler sprayer and all that stuff.
Yeah, dude.
That was pretty cool.
And I heard that kid that bought it like totaled it within.
That's pretty sad.
Within like a couple weeks. Of
Well, I don't
me
even know where
selling
mine
it to
is.
him. Yeah, it sucks, man. They'll never be as nice as when we had them. You know, I'm pretty happy with selling the GTR to this guy I just sold it to, because he seems to be a guy that's going to actually take care of something.
He's not going to total in a couple weeks.
Yeah, and he's like, man, I haven't even driven it hard yet. You know, like he bought it like a few days before Christmas.
I was talking to Kevin the other day, actually.
Yeah.
Kevin Warren.
Oh, okay.
About his.
Yeah, his car was nuts, dude.
Yeah.
Here's Joel Felix and his SRT4 Neon in Mopar Lane.
These ones will backfire.
Qualified number 6
They backfire.
so far. Kevin Warren, his SRT4 in the Pepsi Lane. He's qualified number 2.
That's the midnight blue. No, I was looking for
JR.
more of a purple to it.
Lost Wicked. I think it's in the room and back.
You sprayed some of the adhesive remover?
Yeah,
or?
so it just kind of sits on there for a little bit and then it'll come off.